Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to change a profile picture on Zoom. So I've got the Zoom application installed on my computer, and what I would have to do is I would just go over to the settings icon at the top right of my screen, and I'd click on this, then I'd choose profile in here. Right, so here's my existing profile picture, my name. Of course, this is connected to my Facebook account. So I would just hover over to my existing picture and just click on this pencil. Okay, now I could reposition my existing profile picture, the thumbnail which appears. Or what I could do is I could upload a new one. And if I don't have one already, of course, this option allows me to upload one. So if I want to change my profile picture, I would just click on change picture. And here it opens this whole edit profile picture menu. So just select your desired picture. Let's say I've got something saved on my desktop, and I would just go for any of these which I like. Let's say I just choose this one, and then I click on open. Okay, now this would allow me to reposition or zoom in or out as I like. And once I've done that, I just click on save, and here my new profile picture is saved. So the thing about profile pictures is that they're very important, because whenever your video is off, it is the profile picture which is displayed to everybody else in the meeting, and it adds such a lot of professionalism into your whole personality, your whole persona, especially when you're in a formal meeting. And it is very helpful if you're trying to join a meeting, because it lets the administrator of the meeting know who is trying to join the meeting, so they could just look at your profile picture and join. So this is how you would upload a profile picture onto your Zoom account.